What it do, love crew? LTC. Love Teen Stand Up. And I just want to say what's up, guys. Sorry for my long hiatus. I just haven't been doing much as of recently. But now I'm back. I don't know if it's gonna be for long though. But I'm gonna just do a quick breakdown on this beat I made the other day. And enough with the intro, bro. I'm gonna just run the preview. So I laid down these chords, and it's like a foundation, and then I just added on that. And this is the finished result with the top line. Little I just sprinkled in some notes in there, strummed it. Excuse me. And then I layered that with this. And I layered it again with this. And then finally, I layered it with this as well. Alright, now that we got that out the way, the boring stuff, we can move on to my favorite part, the leads. I got this lead from Purity right here. That's that little shine lead, the loser lead. I love that. And then this, I got this from a bank or something, from a editor Thomas here. It's called the Cryangel preset or whatever. It's on his Discord. You can look him up on TikTok. I got that from some producer bank, I don't even remember, but that's what it looks like. You got the next lead right here. That's that. Got this next one. This is a guitar. And then this one, another guitar, but it's different. That's That's a Lil Boo thing, Summers, bro. I love that song. And then this one. Sorry. PW for president. That's like one of the most famous Pluggnb leads. And then next, or wait, yeah. This is a little piano. I just took the notes from the top line from the chords, and I just copied and pasted it over here. I added a couple notes in there though. And next we got the bells. Next we got the strings. Those were the short strings. These are the long strings. And finally, we got a little guitar, acoustic guitar. And here's what the melody sounds all together. And now let's move on to the drums. All these sounds that I used, you can find them like some generic Pluggnb kits. Just search it up on Google. Use like the first result. But right here we just got a basic snap. Like nothing too crazy. Next we got the hats. And we got a little perk right here. Snare. And when I do these, I try to use a ton of sounds to add that little groove, that little bounce. And here's, or wait, I forgot to do the 808s. Can't forget that. And here's the 808s. And here's what it sounds all together. And finally, we got the sound effects. You know, you always gotta have these.
I love you. 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 I love you.
Sound effects. I love me some good sound effects, though, I'm gonna be honest. Alright, that's the whole beat. I might post it later if anyone wants to use it. But yeah, that's the whole beat. It's a short little video. Gotta get something out. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you should subscribe, like, turn on notifications. And that's all I got for you guys today.
Let's go. Tap on your below. Bitches cannot live. Live my snuff from hell. I had a pass from Bell. Yo, the bitch say I'm selfish. Her ass bitch, I'm pale. I should parrot. This was my civic art. I'm on trap. I'm from Summers. I'm next to it. When you're